A lot of trees down.
Yeah, they got big root system over there.
Oh yeah.
That's a water hole under.
Oh yeah. Wow. Looks like a wall.
There's a lot of wind right here.
Goodness.
Splits. Okay.
Guess so.
I guess we'll go to the right.
Alright.
Exit either way, it says. So what is that exit to?
I don't know.
Find out.
Exit to the unknown.
Well, this one is uprooted.
Yeah.
They cut it.
Where?
They cut it and stood back up. So it probably uprooted and mashed all this because that's all new underneath.
Yeah. Wow.
Massive trees.
This got hit hard.
Yeah. We've been here a lot of years.
Yeah.
Yeah, lizards.
Oh, there's two of them here. That's why it looks so big.
Yeah.
Wow.
That'd be neat when all that soil gets finally washed out of them. That'd be something because you'll be able to see right through all this.
Huh.